Hello! You are on the Best Bioexpress channel, and in today's video we will find a lot of cool products from Aliexpress and Amazon. Click like and let's go!
Where's the nearest gas station?
The nearest one I found is Sepson.
Hey Vicky, what's up?
Hey sis, I just realized I accidentally wore your underwear.
Guys, check this nice soft, a wonder share in clouds. You can manage all cloud services and accounts in one place. Transfer across Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, Amazon S3. And now there are amazing year-end deals. You can get a wonder share in clouds with 35% discount. All links to the products in the description below the video. please.
I'm walking the tightrope, baby. I'm doing my best to hold the line. Drifting off the shoreline, baby. I'm halfway through to cross the border now. I'm walking the tightrope, baby. I'm doing my best to hold the line. Drifting off the shoreline, baby. I'm halfway through to cross the border now. You got ice like summer sky. If your smart could kill, I'd die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. I can't believe that this is real. And the way you make me feel, you make me wanna sing, and so I do. So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell.
You keep telling me you're shy. If smart could kill, I'd die. There's no need to rush. If something is meant to be, I really felt for you, and I want you to be mine. 'Cause you make me wanna sing, and so I do. So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. When the sky is cloudy, we just climb right in. You are all I want more than everything. Feels just like I'm flying when I'm here with you. I was standing waiting just for you. So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you had not seen that videos, be sure to look, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because in the future there will be a lot of cool projects. Bye bye!